Hi everyone, welcome to Virtual Steampunk Club. My name's Cass and today we are going to be showing you our balloon-powered cars. So there'll be a couple of things that we send to you and a couple of things that you'll need from home. So the things that we are going to send to you are 4 of these foam blocks, a balloon straw, 5 rubber bands, a body for your car, some axles and some axle straws, a balloon, and of course some wheels. There are also a few things you'll need from home, and those are some textures in order to decorate your car, some masking tape or sticky tape so that you can start assembling your car and make sure you've got it as good as it can get before you stick it together with some glue, and some scissors, especially if you want to chop up your balloon straw to test a few different variations. Putting your car together is pretty easy, but there are lots of ways that you can make it better, and it's going to be a fun project to work out how you make it go fastest or how you make it go furthest. Because absolutely where you put the wheels, how you place the balloon, what kind of straws you use, how tight you tie it, and where you position it, how you use these blocks, are all going to have a big effect on how fast or how far your car goes. So as you can see, I've made up a really basic version of that, and it does move along pretty well when you blow through it, but I reckon that you can do even better. We would love to see how far or how fast your car can go, and also to see how you've decorated it at home. You can register your details online, and we will send one of those kits out to you in the mail. We look forward to seeing your work. Bye.